Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the aShell app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. aShell is a local terminal app for iOS that brings Unix command line tools to your iPhone or iPad. It supports commands like curl, get, Python, Clang, make, and more. You can write, compile, and run code directly within the app, making it ideal for programmers, students, or anyone who wants a portable shell environment on iOS. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is lightweight, fast, and surprisingly powerful given the limitations of iOS. Users appreciate how it doesn't require internet for local execution and supports scripting, file manipulation, and integration with other apps via shortcuts. The ability to run Python scripts and compile code with Clang makes it useful for coding on the go. However, aShell isn't perfect. Some advanced packages or commands aren't available due to system restrictions, and users unfamiliar with the command line may find it intimidating. There are occasional bugs when dealing with large files or complex scripts, and file management can be clunky compared to desktop terminals. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, aShell is a strong terminal app for iOS users who want to bring Unix-style tools to their mobile workflow. It's great for lightweight development, scripting, or learning command line basics, though it's best suited for users with some technical background. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.